You made the choice to go live on Facebook Gaming. Now, how the heck do you go live? We're going to talk about that and more. Stay tuned.
I'm the CEO. It's Mega Chop, you already know.
You made the choice to go live on Facebook Gaming, and you found out that it's a bit different or a lot different than any other site that you've gone live on. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of going live on Facebook Gaming so that you can stop pulling out your hair. If you want to talk about this information or any other concepts, I do stream on Facebook Gaming as well as Twitch. You can join me at either location when I am live evenings, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The links for both will be down below. And I am happy to talk streaming, gaming, whatever you want the entire time I'm live. So going live on Facebook Gaming, before we get into the specific steps, I want to at least give you a brief overview so that you're prepared. Most streaming sites, you go and you find your stream key, you input that into OBS, and you click go live. Boom, done. Well, Facebook Gaming is a bit different. You actually go to their website. There's a couple different options. You can go ahead and grab your stream key. You can go live like that. You can schedule times to go live. You can go in there and manually go live. The last one is the one that we're going to walk through specifically step by step because I've got the most experience with that one myself. And essentially, you need to have your information input into OBS so that you can click go live. And then you go to the Facebook Gaming website, your creator dashboard, and you will set up your title, you'll set up your description. You can actually add a thumbnail, which is a super cool option. And then you will click go live from there, which ultimately sends your feed through to Facebook Gaming. Let's hop right into step number 1. So the first step, we are going to go to facebook.com/creator studio. I'm just going to go to the generic one because that's the actual website that you can put in to get to where you need to go. This will show you my creator studio and what it looks like. We are going to go to go live. And this will give me an option as I have multiple pages that are linked to my Facebook, Mega Chop CEO and Freedom from Depression. We're going to Mega Chop CEO. That's my Facebook gaming live stream site. And that will pull you up to this page. And there, as I mentioned, are different options that you can use. We are going to walk through the steps of helping you go live by using the stream key. So you're going to click stream key when you're here if it's not already selected. You're going to scroll down to stream key and click copy. Then you are going to go into your OBS and paste that in the stream key blank. Once you've completed that, you are going to click apply and then OK. And you're ready to go live. So now we are going to click start streaming in OBS. This is going to bring another pop-up because I use Stream Elements and they have integrated software called OBS Live. And this is going to allow me to customize settings within here if I would choose. I personally keep this all for the Facebook Gaming website. So I'm going to click Go Live with Facebook Streamer Dashboard Settings. The other alternative would be setting up the title and the description through OBS. This, however, does not give you the option to add a thumbnail if you would choose. Plus, once you go live through the actual Facebook Gaming site, your creator dashboard, there are going to be a lot of statistics shown on the screen, which are nice to see while you're live. It will show you where your bit rate is at. So if you have any dips in quality, you can see if it's because your bit rate has dropped. It's also going to show you all different notifications, from chat logs to if you were rated, or if you are in the Facebook monetization programs, if there's been stars or supporters. You can actually set up goals for your stream through there. You can set up different interactives where people can answer questions. There's a lot that you can do through that dashboard. So if your computer is capable, I would encourage using that dashboard so that you can monitor your stream as you go along as well. So we're going to go live, and you will see that OBS has started your stream and you're going live. Now you will see in the lower right hand corner where it was saying waiting for live video that we actually have what we're streaming down there. If you scroll up, it will also show you and let you know what the video quality is running at, how many frames, the audio. Now that we have gone live through OBS, you are going to ensure share to a page you manage is selected. Then the page that you want to go live on is selected. If you have multiple pages, they will be there. If you just have one, it will be there. You enter in the title for your stream and a description. You enter that in. You can change what game you are playing. I'm going to select the last game that we were playing. If you create a video thumbnail, you can choose your image and add it here. An important point to note on the value of having a thumbnail: when you stream on Facebook Gaming, the first few seconds of your stream are going to be your natural thumbnail if you don't have one selected. So on Facebook Gaming, I would say it's more important than ever to avoid having a going live screen, because that will significantly deter people who will stick around if they're not familiar with your content. On Facebook Gaming, it becomes even more important to just hop right into the content. Another content creator that I know of on Facebook Gaming, Dab Plays, he actually starts his while he's in the plane so that you're hopping right into the action. So at this point, this is when I would click go live. I'm not going to, because I've got more of a mock setup to show you guys what I'm going to do. But once I click go live, then I could go to my actual Facebook Gaming website. If this were my live video, I could click on that and you would be seeing what I'm broadcasting. Now, if you're wanting to try and go live like I did, with the same ability to have your chat shown right through OBS, to be able to see your notifications shown right through OBS, I use Stream Elements to help manage my stream, to create and compile scenes. I'm able to easily change them on the fly right through a web interface. If you want to do that, that's all through StreamElements.com. If you want to see me do a setup video for Facebook Gaming with Stream Elements, I'm more than happy to do so. I've already done one with Twitch. It's very similar for Facebook, but I'd be happy to make a custom one. Drop that in the comments below. And if you have any more questions about streaming on Facebook Gaming, or you want to talk to me while I'm live with additional feedback or questions that you have, feel free to join me Monday, Wednesday, and Friday evenings. I stream on both Facebook Gaming and Twitch on those nights. I'm happy to talk to you while I am live about streaming, or any questions that you may have even outside of streaming. I'm going to have both of my links below so that you can join me while I'm live. Otherwise, while you're here, please click like, subscribe, and smash that bell for notifications, and I'll see you next time.